Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah!
Me know say you see it. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah!
Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in the street. Hey big foot.
Hello?
Hello?
Hey, Patricia, what's up?
Yeah, Perry can't come and work today.
Wait, what happened?
Yeah, for Karen got the vet.
Vet? What do you mean?
He's sick.
Sick?
Because him want be a dog and talk to any girl him feel like, and it not gonna work so. Because Patricia Brown is not a man clown. Yeah, you not gonna play with my feelings. So me I carry him go to the vet, but castrate him outside and yet fix him business. Yes, so him not come in and work today. And since him want be a dog, when him come in and work next week, remove him desk and give him a kennel. And him not have no more lunchtime. When at 12 o'clock, send him outside go play fetch. Outside. Come.
Yeah, people, see that again, you don't know original dance or clash. This week we have a new challenger. Your name is General.
Mention, no boy can't jerk me, now box me. First thing, no boy can't kick me, now slap me. Next thing, and if a guy this, me make one from the texting, me make shot squeeze and sneeze and bless him.
Don't you know? So see that again, my people. Real General, go to my boss. Free cartel!
How old are you, man?
Watch it, man.
Yeah, man. All of them and them will know them no bow. Who up on no one and say yo.
Don't tell you no already. Baby, strength them off. Baby, strength them off. Put more chicken for me kill him. Put more chicken for me kill him. Baby, strength them off. Baby, strength them off. First man make a step. I got to where you do now. Inna your head shot full of...
Yo, taxi! Good afternoon, buddy. Yo, don't refer to me, sir. Sorry, but you're deaf. Yo, you're messing the boss. Let's call me bad charge. Okay, so where's we go today, bad charge? 17 Candice Lane. Okay, we do road. What? We do road. Isn't that what you Jamaicans say? Yo, turn on the radio. Bad charge, I'm sorry, but the radio's broke. But I got CDs. I play the CD there. Okay, bad charge, this got no shit.
My girl, me have a slight tackle for your pum pum. No tell me about no pineapple for your pum pum. Me cocky tough like a buckle for your pum pum. No tell me about no pineapple for your pum pum. You know long me want ackle for your pum pum. No tell me about no pineapple for your pum pum. Me we go in at the chapel for your pum pum. No tell me about no pineapple for your pum pum. Me want complete.
I told you, I be jamming to this. I was singing, it's the Drays of Blunts. Oh, Drays of Blunts. Let me see the CD. Don't try to steal my CD, bad. Let me see the bumbo clad CD, man. Me no want your seat. Hey! Bring back my fucking CD! No, I'm not care back. It's not bad. Bring my shit back, man. No, I'm not care back. You didn't pass me. What did family bill?
So you want to do?
When I do like what? Play some music or something, you're so quiet.
You want us to Julian Believe?
Yeah, put on Julian Believe.
Alright.
Don't stop whining for me. That's my song.
Got you, Kalika. You see all the boy, the idiot boy, Sawyer boy. You need to leave him, and me, I need to deal with it, me, I need to deal with it.
I need to leave me go for you? I mean, I think he likes Susan.
Well, mother said.
Susan, what you do ya? What you do ya? You swim again? Susan, you swim again?
Don't be speaking crony by the prince and this and they are no girl Kalika, you're dead. Kalika, you're dead, no. A people man, you want to.
Don't get me mixed up. Don't get me mixed up. Deal with your man. Deal with your man. Dead? Dead? Touch me. Touch me. You mess with the wrong. You in the Bahamas. People man you want. People man you want. No, this way you do that. Other room. Where you do that? Hotel room. Don't touch me. Where you do that? Hotel room. Bitch, I touch you. I'm touch you. Bitch, I'm touch you.
Facebook hero back at it again. I know when me come for talk, I know when me come for talk. Digicel so not stress them out. All who they are Jamaican, they borrow Digicel credit and now give them back. Digicel find them out. All who have put money on different phone and they send it to for them phone. Digicel say they find out. Who stop thief Digicel credit. Digicel say you can't change the chip, but you can't change the phone. You not go walk and talk one day and the phone not go bob up on you. That's how Digicel tell me for go now. So all who borrow credit and the eyes from Digicel, you wanted. You stop just out Digicel. Digicel give me work. Digicel say if you call out some name, Stacy you owe them. Hey boy, Devon you owe them. Hey boy, Connor you owe them. Stop stress out Digicel. Stop worrying people.
Yo.
Yo, I go.
Alright, so you want to know, say me just come from where name the place in a dad. The same place where you sitting there, you keep. You know where name there. So I'm go over there and see the next where name there. Alright. And then him start chat about things and then me just say, because you know, fix things. And you see me, I'm in a 2-2. You see me? So me depend, alright. So we see one next where name there. And him forward and him they have a sitting there. So me say, alright, I'm go for my sitting there. Because you know, say me no want him alone have sitting there. So me get my sitting there.
Who you talking about?
You know where name them, man. You know the same youth where no 2-2. You see me? Him.
Like, which part this is there? Where?
The over one part next to one place, man. You the same place you sitting there, you keep, man. You know what me I talk about, you see me?
Alright, go on.
Alright, so now a bag of things start bust off. Me say roops, and you don't know say that a man sitting, you know. So me go so bad, man say
Hello? Where you come for? Can I come link you? Today on your day, look on the timetable. We just want to come check you, man. Check the timetable, I'm full of man like scripture, read it. It's a Monday for Matthew, Tuesday for Mark, Wednesday for Luke, Thursday for John, tomorrow on your day and Saturday my day off. So me can't come for your peace. Peace of what? Bring piece of the rent come outside. Tomorrow on your day, link me. And when you come carry food, cause I want can't beef my have left and I can't find the key.
That's it. That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what you would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy, Peace.